my guitar, it left the town. I drew my heart a Lennon wall, but I felt things were better now. I belong in your arms. Got a paper cup full of wine. I played a Charles Bridge on the side, with your hand resting under mine.
Good morning. Hope you guys can hear me okay in this very loud car. We're up north at the moment. We're going about 30 minutes out to go to this bakery slash cafe McKinney's been raving about. He's talked about it non-stop, so it better live up to...
Okay. It's mostly about location.
It better live up to his words, because I haven't touched grass in so long. I had no plans to touch grass. So, it better be good.
지친 하루 끝 문득 들려온 너의 목소리 따뜻한 그 말 조용히 피어난 노란 봄 웃는 네 모습을 보면 괜히 심장이 빨라지고 너랑 걷는 이 길 위에 시간이 멈췄으면 해.
Okay, so I got a meat pie. And McKinley got a sausage roll. I know that probably sounds really foreign to a lot of you, because why is there meat in a pie? Trust me, it's good. I thought there was going to be foil underneath, but actually coffee first.
It's pretty good.
Very good coffee, which is surprising. And it's really quiet today. I think it's because everyone's out like Christmas shopping. Also, if you don't know, in Australia, Christmas is summer, so everyone goes to the beach. I would love to experience the snow once in a while, as if like I've ever experienced snow before. I want to experience snow once in my life.
A New York Christmas.
I don't want a New York Christmas, I just want snow. Maybe like New Zealand. But this is a really good meat pie. In saying that, I also am an avid enjoyer of like frozen meat pies, like the party pies.
No, I know this place makes them and they're really like popular for dessert. They're mostly popular for desserts though. That's
Oh really?
the donuts and everything involved.
The crust is good too.
Yeah.
Usually I don't like the bottom part, but this one's nice. The top part. Whenever I eat like the frozen party pies, they're small, and I like deconstruct them.
Yeah.
I eat the top first, like the pastry, and I put tomato sauce in the meat. And I finish all the meat, and then I eat the bottom. I don't always eat the bottom.
Autistic one. That's pretty basic.
Yeah, I don't eat the bottom part sometimes. When it's stuff like the frozen pies, I don't eat it.
Yeah.
We're currently at a mountain lookout, and this lighting though. Look at me touching grass.
You're on the concrete. There we go.
Look at me touching grass. Hello. It's generally so nice up here. I think the last time, my shirt, hello. I think the last time I came here, it was 1, storming, and 2, I had glasses then. So this is my first time seeing it with my bare eyes. I don't know if it's at 20/20 vision yet, but it's pretty good. Yeah, makes me really appreciate my life a little more. I'm extra grateful for 1, having eyes, 2, being able to live in this beautiful country, in this beautiful city. I wish it was a little bit less hot, but we can't have everything. But, I'm just at the bookstore after work and I wanted to come here to find some like coffee table books. I think usually coffee table books are meant to mostly for decorations, but I actually want to buy things that I'm interested in. I'm looking at art and design books, to be honest. I'm looking at a book called Sans in Use. It's about all the sans serif like font in use, but I did see it on Amazon for much cheaper, so I probably will go for that. The other one I saw is like the cats and art. I do like the cover, I think it's cute, but I don't know if it like really suits my place that much. If I had a bigger version of it, I'd probably grab it, but just a bit too small. The one I might grab right now is the graphic design Bible. That one because I love the orange color, and considering I have basically a design degree, legally I can own it. Today I am dog mum in Bunnings. We needed to get some dog food today for my doggies, so thought it'd be nice to just come here and have a browse, but I'm starting to regret that decision because it's literally so hot and humid outside and it's super rainy. They literally have so many trees here that I want to get. I really want like an indoor tree. So for dinner today, I wanted to make the viral waterless chicken. So I've got some chicken thighs in here. Instead of doing normal seasoning, I'm going to use the Hainanese chicken rice mix to season it, and then I'm still gonna do the whole cabbage and carrots and onion thing. The chicken is like not fully defrosted yet, so I don't know if I should try and mix this in or not. You guys want to know visual, but I did add some chicken feet in there as well. I wanted to add some collagen and some sweetness to the broth. My cats are eyeing that pot of chicken right now, so it's been very annoying. I look really crazy, but I just showered and this is the only way my curls will stay. But it's been venting for 40 minutes now and I'm a bit scared to open it. Okay, so the good news is that there is soup in there. I didn't add any extra water. I was really scared that if I pressure cook it, it will become like burnt at the bottom. But there is soup. There is hope. We're just waiting for the rice to finish. Oh, the rice is done. Okay, taste test. Chicken is super tender. I think the Hainan chicken bottle is salty enough for my taste. I eat pretty salty food. You know what? This would taste really good with like sticky rice. I'm very proud of myself. have a small confession to make, and that is, unfortunately, I do love the big lights. Don't get me wrong, like I still like the small lights, the ambience lights, but I need my functional lights, you know, like when I'm cooking, when I'm like cleaning, washing, I need the light to be as bright as possible. And same with the toilet. When I'm in the toilet, it better feel sterile. Like I need the big white light. I need to see that everything is clean, you know? Whereas like if I'm chilling in this room, small lights only. And I need to do my nails soon, and I would love for this room to be nice and moody, but your girl need to see. That's what I just have to do. But yes, I need to get my nails. I just have cat eye on right now, and I'll probably do the same, to be honest.